My name is Steven Medrano. I'm from Dilley, Texas, born and raised. Well, the initial plan was to build a house, but we had some obstacles that we came through, so we decided just to go with a double wide. We got on the internet, looked at what we liked, we found it, contacted them. Mila contacted me back. We exchanged text messages, and then we went from there. It was a great experience with them. Like I said, we exchanged text messages, sent the application, and then after that, everything was smooth sailing from there. Yeah, they responded to all my text messages immediately. Everything was legit. Everything was good. We didn't have no issues whatsoever or a delay for her, texting me back or anything like that. It was a great experience with her. We had no issues whatsoever. She was quick to respond, and she answered all our questions immediately. She ran the report, everything was good, and then everything was perfect after that. I would definitely recommend her. I mean, I would go to her. She's probably, one of the, probably the best ones out there. So, I mean, reach out to her and she'll get you all taken care of.